There's a whole bunch of areas where the older systems just cause environmental problems to the homes, our environment. Our environment. Our newer systems use a much more environmentally friendly refrigerant. The motors are more efficient, using less electricity. They have a much higher environmental rating and do less harm to our environment around us. So if you're concerned about your impact, your footprint on the environment, then upgrading to a high efficiency system will definitely help reduce your footprint on our environment while still keeping you comfortable and cool. So